Dust motes danced in the sunlight as Clara wiped the keys of her new prize, a battered iron typewriter found in a forgotten corner of the antique store. Its keys clacked with an oddly satisfying resistance as she began her story. Hours passed. Words flowed steadily, but every so often the carriage jerked, typing lines she hadn't intended. She blamed fatigue until the machine spelled her name with chilling precision across the page. Clara's fingers trembled as she tried to ignore it, but the typewriter began hammering out a narrative she hadn't conceived. Her own reflection, eyes widening in terror, a shadow rising behind her. The words appeared faster than she could read, her hands now frozen above the keys. The final line appeared. She turns, but it's too late. A cold breath grazed her neck. She spun around, heart thundering wildly. No one there. She sighed, relief flooding her, until the typewriter clacked once more, the carriage sliding back, spelling out, "The story ends when you do." Her scream echoed through the empty room as the keys began typing again, blood-red stains blooming beneath each letter, sealing her fate.